Hi guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can add your voiceover in Google Slides. So let's go to the Google Slides. To add your Google slide you have to record your voice first. So I'm choosing a website to record my voice named Voiceover. Click on the first link. Then to record your voice, just click on this icon. Now start talking like, hi, I'm gonna use this voice to my Google slide. Okay, let's see. Now you can stop this by clicking on this button. Now if you want to use this voice or voiceover into your Google slide, then just download it, save and share. Download it here. Locate your file where it is. I'm trying to locate this file into another drive to find it easily later. Now you have to go Google Drive, then just upload that file into your Google Drive first. After uploading, it will be here like this, Voiceover, this one. Now go to Google Slides. Now if you want to add your voiceover or that audio here, just go to Insert, go Audio, and you can see here Voiceover already. Okay, just click on this and click on Insert. If you click on Insert, you will find this audio here. After uploading, here's your audio. Let's hear. Now start talking like, hi, I'm gonna use this voice to my Google Slides. Okay guys, so this is how you can add a audio in Google Slides. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.